Okay guys, it is another opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so right away. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame, and of course it started the downtrend right from here, came to an end at this support zone, but went back up, was unable to go beyond this, and of course it started selling right from there. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, but the trend came to an end at this resistance zone since it's unable to break out above it. So it started a downtrend and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so that is going to be giving us more selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend right from here, got to the resistance zone, was unable to go above it, so it is selling right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, sold for a while, and of course went back up again, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It sold from here till it got to this region. It was unable to go below this support zone, so it started buying right from there. So this is buying at the moment. We are most likely to see it get into this region before we have a major pullback. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, go.